Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to share photos without losing quality. If you find this video interesting, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. Alright, there's a couple of different ways you can do this. The first way is to send the photo via email. So you can either use Gmail or FileMail. So if I go to Gmail, compose a new email, or send it to myself. And now I will attach a large photo. So for this demonstration, I'm going to click on this photo here. As you can see, it's 3.89 megabytes in size. Click select, and now I can send that this image without losing quality. So if I go ahead and click on send, that will send it to myself. Or likewise, I can use FileMail. You can get FileMail from the app. Put to, from, subject and the image and send it that way as well. You can download this app from Play Store or the App Store. These are the best two methods I have found to send photos without losing the quality, because if you send it via messages or messenger, it will compress the image into a smaller file size, so then you lose a lot of quality in that image.